Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S24 for Boost Mobile. So the Galaxy S24 is here at Boost Mobile, got released back in February. So the Galaxy S24 is available in 4 colors. You guys have Marble Gray, Cobalt Violet, Amber Yellow, and Onyx Black color options there. So 128GB is $799.99 for retail price, or 256 gigs is $859.99 for retail price. It's $200 off, currently on sale. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, so there is front and back of the Galaxy S24. Hole punch with front facing camera there. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Triple camera system on the back. Samsung logo. That's the front of the phone, like I just said. Hole punch with front facing camera. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Power button volume keys, right side of the phone. Back of the phone, triple camera system. Camo 5 Samsung logo. There's the back again. Nothing on that left side. Right side, like I mentioned again. Power button volume keys. Right side again there, alright? So, yeah. The Galaxy S24 has a 6.2-inch display, 50 megapixel main camera, 35 hours of talk time, Android 14 with One UI 6.1. Make everyday epic with Galaxy S24. From using a photo to find a new recipe, to capturing low light pics of your creation. Do more easily with Galaxy S24 Epic, just like that. Features: Galaxy AI, so that's new this year for the Galaxy S24 series. Galaxy AI is like the hot new thing right now. So yeah, Galaxy AI is the new Samsung feature on the Galaxy S24 series. So definitely worth checking out if you guys are interested in AI and stuff like that. Never to be lost in translation again. Speak foreign language on the spot, right from inside this Samsung phone app with Live Translate. So I guess this is the Samsung phone app, and you can translate live in different languages. So that's pretty cool. Very nice feature to have. Quick specs has a 50 megapixel high-res camera for photos, 8K video and 30x spacing. High resolution, near or far. Take incredible photos even from far away. With the impressive high resolution camera. Watch anything in any light with 2600 nits of brightness. See the awe and stunning detail on the bigger and brighter screens of Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus. More storage, more memories. Store and save your files with peace of mind. Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus have room for your highlights and bloopers. Galaxy S24 series. I just mentioned Galaxy AI. That is new this year for the Galaxy S24 lineup. So you can compare the 3 different phones to see which one is right for you. Personally, I'm a big fan of the Galaxy S24 Ultra because I like the design of it, the S Pen features and stuff like that. That's just my personal opinion, but you can compare the 3 phones to see which one is right for you and see which one is the one that you like. So, yeah. So yeah, y'all can compare the different phones to see which one's right for you, the specs and everything. So very cool. Your way, your Galaxy, your way. Galaxy devices give you more ways to connect and the freedom to make your experience exactly how you want it. Video chat from where you're at. I don't know if this thing don't light up, but it says here above that, what I just read, it says here, Samsung Galaxy S24 switching is quick and easy with Samsung Smart Switch. You can move your pics, videos, music, apps, contacts, and converse to the new home safely and securely in just a few simple steps. Backup Galaxy S24 cobalt violet device in front of device slowly. Backup Samsung Galaxy S24 cobalt violet device in front of device showing data transfer in progress. Okay. So it has a Samsung Smart Switch application, so use it to transfer your stuff over to the new phone. So very nice tool to have. Video chat from where you're at. Easily share your life's moments live with friends and family on Google Meet, whether at home or on the go. It's easy to connect face to face. Spectacles has a 6.2-inch display, dynamic AMOLED, 2x Full HD Plus display, 120Hz refresh rate, 4,000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, octa-core chipset, Android 14, One UI 6.1. The Galaxy S24 weighs 5.9 ounces, 50 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto, then a 12 megapixel selfie camera, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 or 256 gigabytes of storage. It has 5G, obviously 4G, USB 3.2, Gen 1, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, Wi-Fi 6E connection. So very cool. Dimensions 5.8 inches height, 2.8 inches width, and 0.3 inches depth. Other features include obviously Galaxy AI, that is new for the Galaxy S24 series, and Samsung Wallet as well. What's included with the Samsung Galaxy S24 is your Samsung Galaxy S24 smartphone, Type-C to Type-C charging cable, quick start guide, terms and conditions, and the SIM ejection pin, and you'll need a Type-C charging brick. So yeah. Yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy S24. It's here at Boost Mobile, so if you guys are interested in a flagship phone, check out the Galaxy S24. It's definitely worth checking out if you guys like the design of recent Samsung flagship smartphones. So definitely worth checking out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.